Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to make brownies. It's well overdue. I have a dark chocolate and milk chocolate here, cocoa powder, white sugar, brown sugar, butter, salt, egg, flour and vanilla extract. Let's begin. To begin, I have a hot water boiling here. I'm going to use it to make the chocolate, to melt the chocolate. So let's start chopping the chocolate. I have my bowl here, then I will chop my chocolate bar inside and start melting it with butter. Yeah, this is my chocolate. I'll start melting it. Butter, unsalted butter. Yeah. And I will mix all together. Okay, this one is done. Let's take it off. I have here 2 eggs, white sugar and brown sugar. I'll whisk. You can use hand mixer if you want to. Sugar. Okay, I'll put this aside and check if my chocolate is cool enough. To check it, you can just dip, but you have to make sure it's cold. It's not cool enough. Let me check. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's cool enough. I'm going to add my egg and sugar mixture here. whip it one more with my chocolate, melted chocolate and butter. Put my dry ingredients through my sieve here. I have flour and baking powder in here. Then I'll add my cocoa powder too. And my salt. Then I'll sieve all up. And I will mix all gently together with my vanilla extract. Okay, let me set this aside. Then line it up with my parchment paper. Then I'll pour my brownie. Then I'll cook it for 22 minutes on the gas number 6. My brownie is out from the oven now. I have to let it cool before I can dig in. I think I'll leave it for 10-15 minutes to be cool. Okay. This one is my part. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It's dry on the top, but inside is gooey, creamy, soft somehow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please, like, share. Bye.